I'm using some epoxy Sculpt A and B to sculpt on fingers and to try to repair this hand. I've already repaired this one. And so these are for the Electra dolls from about 1915, so I'd like to be able to use this original hand. So I'm going to try to make the 4 fingers. Just going to roll it up and start building upwards my digits. I need to compare lengths. Another one. I just need to keep smoothing this out as I go, kind of comparing. Touch each other like they do in that. So I'll show you when I'm done, but that's how I'm going to do it.